Come test drive this 2018 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.